Today, we're going to talk about how aging affects the brain, and we'll share some tips on how you can improve your mental clarity, stay sharp, and also protect those precious memories of yours. The following statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and individual results may vary. In your 60s, the brain actually begins to shrink, and especially the areas of the brain used to hold on to memories and to learn new things. So it's important to use your brain. We're going to get into how you can improve that, but some factors that accelerate aging and cognitive decline. There's a few, and all the different factors have one thing in common. For instance, high levels of toxicity can affect the brain and cause damage and can cause cognitive decline. Well, why is that? Because of oxidative stress. And then the other thing is the decline in production of stem cells, the decline in production of neurotransmitters. So the good news is we can actually address all of these factors. What is C60?
Well, C60 is a molecule of 60 carbon atoms, and it's shaped like a little soccer ball. And it's a super antioxidant. It's several hundred times more powerful than like conventional antioxidants like vitamin D or vitamin E.
C60 is a very, very effective antioxidant. It's a free radical sponge, and it's actually the most powerful antioxidant that's ever been discovered. When it comes to brain function, in scientific studies, C60 showed strong neuroprotective properties and prevented cognitive decline in test animals.
In another study, it almost doubled their lifespan, and that's because of its amazing antioxidant properties.
C60 supports mitochondrial efficiency or cellular metabolism.
A lot of the antioxidants like SOD and catalase and glutathione go down because our body can't synthesize it. And so when your cells don't have much antioxidants, the mitochondria have to tune themselves down. So now they're making less ATP. And of course, goes to the next one, supporting energy and motivation is the ATP is the energy for your cells.
Yeah.
So when you take C60 replaces the missing SOD and the missing catalase and glutathione. And so now your mitochondria can fully function. They make ATP. And then when you have ATP plentiful, then all the cellular functions can be done.
All right. And then another thing is it can help protect brain cells from free radical damage.
What happens if you have chronic inflammation, like arthritis and some of those other things, which is caused by oxidative radicals? Well, then you get that same dopamine suppression. So when you take C60 gets rid of the oxidative radicals. You don't have that chronic inflammation anymore. You don't have that feedback loop. So now that your body makes the dopamine that you need. And a lot of people have commented that, like I was just started feeling better and I got up off the couch and I started, doing exercising that I used to do, or the hobbies they used to do. And that's part of that return of the dopamine production, which is by getting rid of that inflammation. And you may not even know you have chronic inflammation.
And what causes inflammation? Oxidative stress.
Yep. And so
again, if you're eating something you're sensitive to, if you're exposed to toxins, if you're exposed to radiation, all these different things, they all cause oxidative stress, which causes inflammation. So it all really comes down to one small thing, oxidative stress. So that's the main way C60 helps us and why we get all these amazing health benefits. It's just that one simple thing.